Intro. Host excitedly holding the iPhone 15. Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a sneak peek at the game, changing iPhone 15. Let's jump right in. Shot. Close-up of the iPhone 15's sleek design. Host. The iPhone 15 rocks a stunning design with a curved glass back, available in striking colors like lunar blue and sunset gold. Shot. Quick showcase of the improved triple lens camera. Host. Say cheese. The camera is next level, featuring AI-powered enhancements, better low-light performance, and jaw-dropping details. Shot. Host swiping through the ProMotion XDR display. Host. Check out this display. The 120 Hz refresh rate on the ProMotion XDR screen is buttery smooth, making everything from scrolling to streaming an absolute joy. Shot. Host holding the iPhone 15. Host. Under the hood. The A15's Bionic chip ensures snappy performance and impressive energy efficiency. Shot. Quick demo of Air Unlock's features. Host. Unlocking your phone is a breeze with Air Unlock, using facial recognition even with a mask on. The conclusion. Host wrapping up. Host. And there you have it, the iPhone 15 in a nutshell. Apple has truly raised the bar with its design, camera prowess, and lightning fast performance. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 15? Drop a comment below and remember to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Outro. Host waving goodbye with the iPhone 15 on the screen. Host. Bye for now.